been a long time. I haven't been filming. I've been working on the wiring harness. I finally got that loomed. I shortened everything so I can tuck it as well as I can for now. I'll address it later if there's more issues. I'm also making a whole fuse block setup. I'll show you guys more of that later. It's two like Boozman fuse blocks. One has a lug, one doesn't. That way I have some constant power and then some key on power and different things. Basically, here's my exhaust manifolds after I painted them. I grinded all the heat shield tabs off. I left all this because I have some of this titanium heat wrapping. It's just DEI stuff. I don't think I ordered it enough. This is 1 inch thick, which I wanted because it's kind of got these tight bands. I didn't think the 2 inch would do well. So I got 1 inch by 50 foot. I got 100 of these stupid ties because that's what it came in. And then this tool to tighten that on. We'll see how it goes. I never wrapped one. My friend was wet sanding and got crap on this one, so I'm gonna clean that off. I'll probably just try to wrap this one first. I finally got the stud out of this one. Hopefully that lets it sit down. I couldn't get it to thread all the way in. It's in there decent for sure. It's almost flush, but it's not as far as the other one. So hopefully that all sits down. I've been having some issues. I went out there and tried to work on the engine. I have 4 exhaust studs or bolts broken off into the heads. So day one, I tried to drill and use a extracting bit, one that like kind of threads in left-handed, to unthread the bolts. No go. One didn't center very well, so it's off, which is the one I'm real stressed on. The other one, I broke off the extractor in it, which was awesome. I hate those things. I broke 2 of the 4 that I have off. Every time I used one, I broke one off, so that's been my favorite. So I bought these left-handed drill bits. I don't know. Maybe if I'm lucky, these will work. We also tried, which everyone says on the truck forum, to put a washer up there, weld the washer to the stud, weld the nut to the washer, and unthread them. That also didn't work because I think it's kind of getting the bolt extremely hot, and maybe it's expanding in the aluminum, is my guess. The aluminum's probably getting hot too and expanding, so it might not be that. Everyone says that works, but basically it'll start to turn and then it'll break about 1/8 to 1/4 inch of the actual bolt off. I just keep doing that, but it's kind of mailing up the aluminum, which I know isn't the end of the world because basically what I have now is some helicoils, so I'm gonna drill those out bigger and then rethread them, so it's not a big deal, you know. I would bevel those corners anyway. And so I think that's what I'm doing. I'm going to try these left-handed bits. I just bought them just to see. If that doesn't work, I'm going to drill them out bigger, helicoil them. They're all the 4 ins, so all the outside bolts. So I was frustrated. I thought the welding would be good. We also were having issues with the welder, which was annoying, but it just wasn't feeding through the line very well. If you had to keep the gun as straight as you can from the machine, if there's any turn, it was like binding up on the wheels. So yay. I'd like to get this done. I'm trying to get this in this weekend. The dude I sent my PCM to was supposed to give me a air cleaner. Dropped the ball twice. 3 times? 3 times. So not that happy with that process. But I'm going to try to look online and order one tonight. Hopefully that comes. My other fuse block comes tomorrow. Wrapped these exhaust manifolds. I'm liking it. I like how it looks. Can't get in these, and they're very easy, just because it tries to drag the loop the other way. I guess maybe if you cover the whole thing, but it's still just gonna shoot it right out. So I didn't bother. Plus, I'm lucky I didn't mess with it too much because I used all that 50-foot 1-inch on this one side. So hopefully, I don't know. We got like a performance shop. Maybe they have some, or I've seen some stuff at O'Reilly's. I'm not sure if it's the same brand or not, but hopefully I can get some of that pretty quick. I'm happy. I didn't tighten that too much, in case you guys are worried. It's just in there to hold it. That was actually the best way to get it propped up so that you can maneuver the roll around. So, digging it. Hope you guys like it. All wrapped up. Keep some of that heat out and cover up. It was crazy rusted, and I'm sure this stuff will flake off, even though it's supposed to be high temp paint, but we'll see how it lasts. So, I like how that turned out. Let's swap day. This is all my crap. I just filming. So, she's ready. Brought a ton of tools, everything here. Hopefully, I'm sure I'm missing a ton of crap. I got intake in there, oil pan in there. This is what's coming out. She lasted me the whole time. 305. I can't wait to take her out. Take all that wiring out. Take everything out. So we're about to get started. I'm pretty sure the wind chill is about 4 degrees. I drove out here with no heat. And they tried to fill up gas and the pump didn't work. So that was exciting. 7 minutes just waiting for 2 gallons of gas. Yay. Alright. Progress. It feels amazing working inside in a warm garage. You can see it, the smile on my face. I'm pretty happy about it. We pulled the cowl off. Everything's unbolted. We're gonna pull it outside, and then pull that whole front clip off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that stove warming us up. So we'll be back. Today's gonna be a good day.
Will doesn't know I hijacked his camera and I'm filming him talking about him right now. It's the last time we're gonna hear this thing run. Yeah, good. Cut it. So the radiator though.
Oh yeah.
So we can kind of lift it up and bring it forward a little bit.
Okay.
Then we'll open that. Or we can just leave the hood open, I guess. Might as well for now. Radiator's out. Gotta get it over.
Let me go. I'm gonna go towards you just so we can get off the brake a little bit. And then we'll go.
This radiator.
you want to drive it in with the battery on?
Yeah.
Just want to make sure I don't drop it off there?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we got door too. Anything look like it's plugged in?
No, looks good. Oh, we're good. There you go. I don't know if you want.
I told you guys I'm trying to lose weight up front. No front clip. Keep going.
Yeah.
That's how I clipped that. That's how I messed up that bumper.
Oh, yeah. You're good. Oh, you're good. Keep coming. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're good. Tons of room. Keep coming. You're good. Oh, yeah.
I'm happy that worked out. I was a little nervous. I was a little nervous the battery's gonna drop into that fan. Not that I'm saving any of it.